Hello everybody, Mighty Cocktail here, and today I am joined in spirit by King Cobra. We are basically slightly talking on the phone at the same time, but he's turned it down really low so that it doesn't mess up the audio files of this, because it may be very crackly and weird. I don't know if you can hear him from my phone, but anyways, that doesn't matter. What matters is that we're going to be jumping into the military base and trying to steal just a fighter jet with this GTB, yeah. The same one I used in the car show. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but if you did, this is the same car. The license plate's I'm to the Beast. But let's do this. So this is just a little challenge video I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing quite a few other challenges offline as well as more online as well. So I'm going to try to jump in here. My car literally just skidded and crashed. Smooth. I was going to use my Kuruma, but this car spawned in right beside me, and I didn't feel like destroying it, because it would have cost me $14,000. So I'm just going to use this, because it's still fast. Fast enough to jump, if I don't mess up. Yes, I did it. Oh god, 4 stars. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I made it. Oh, come on, Tally. Come on. I think I'll nickname it Tally. Come on, Tally. Tally, come on. Oh god, drive. Sure, this one. Kill that guy. Yes! Move out of the way with my jet. Oh god! I don't see like any cops right now. Oh god, I see a tank though. Tank? Don't you dare. Oh god, yeah, oh no, I see a tank. Lift off. Okay, put up the wheels. Oh god. Oh, I'm being shot. Whoa! Oh my god, you should have saw that. I hope you saw that. It was crazy. You obviously did. Hopefully. Oh yes, I shot down another jet. Whoa. Oh, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh, I did it. Second try, I did it. Woo, that was crazily tense. Let's go dogfight and see how much jets in a row we can take down before we get taken down. Okay, well that's just a helicopter, but let's take that down anyways. Boom! Whoa, that almost hit me. Where are you hiding? There's gonna be some jets around here. I hope, trying to attack. Whoa! Yep, there's a missile being shot at me. I got a missile shot at me and that nearly just killed me. That was so damn close. That nearly completely destroyed me. Okay, let's just shoot around and see if we can attract any jets. Oh, there's a tank. Oh, the tank's shooting. Oh, this is crazy. Don't see any more jets at the moment, though. I see a bunch of angry people wanting revenge. No jets right now, though. Not yet. I'm just kind of listening for the locking on beeping, and then I'll know that there's one there. Or I can just look for the big red dots on the map, but I don't see any right now. They just cannot get me. I don't want to say that or I'll get instant bad luck and probably get blown up or crash. And I just put my tires down, put them up. Ooh, whoa, there's loads of explosions. Thankfully, I'm not one of those explosions yet. Oh, that's a tank! Oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh, this is so tense. No! They blew me up! Oh, damn it. Also, to doing something awesome. Oh, man. Oh. Okay, let's try once more. Okay, yeah, give me my tally GTB. Oh my gosh, that was awesome though. Okay, I'm gonna look down so it spawns close by. There we go. Woof, that was like so tense. I knew I shouldn't have went that close to the ground, so close to the tanks. I was basically asking for an explosion to happen. Ooh! No, I hit the military. Well, actually, I didn't even hit the military jeep. The military jeep hit me. Oh! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh, okay, there we go. Let's see if we can do any better this time. Hopefully we don't get blown up by a tank immediately. We did actually fairly well last time. Okay. Kill this guy. Get out. Get in, get in, get in. I don't see any tanks yet. Oh wait, I think that's maybe one. In the distance over there. Yeah, there's one right there in the distance. Whoa! No, it shot me! Oh god, I'm going down. Get out, get out, get out! No! Oh, it immediately shot me. Oh god, no. That sucked. That really sucked. Oh, my next delivery is in like 3 minutes as well. Okay, let's just try to steal a random car. Hopefully I can find one that's fast enough. Maybe this one will be fast enough. Yeah, I don't think it's going to, but you never know. Oh, okay, it did it. Okay, that's surprising. Oh no. Oh no, I just realized the tanks are probably still lurking around from the last attack I just did. And I don't even know if... Is that jet gonna respawn back? Oh, it is, okay. Okay, that guy needs to die. And then... There's my tally GTB. Okay, run. Oh, I did this in a really stupid way. I am so screwed. Because there's a guy attacking right there. Get in. Get in, get in, get in, get in. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh god, I dodged it. I literally just dodged that. Oh wait. There's a jet right there. Boom, took it down. That's one jet down. Is there going to be any more that's going to attack? Let's try to take down a tank with the missiles, maybe? Oh, that's just a car. Then that's a chopper. Ooh, got that. Oh, did I just get a tank? Whoa, I can't really tell. I think I might have just blown up a tank. Did I just get a tank? It looked like it exploded, but I didn't shoot it very much. I guess they are explosive bullets, but still. That was easier than I expected. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be flying this low because I'm gonna get destroyed. This is fun though. Oh, I just got 3 tanks at once, and Dark is telling me that there's a new car called, it's like the Spectre or something, and it's coming out tomorrow probably. So if it does, let's make a deal. I will try to do a video on it, but I may not have enough money, so I'll try to do what I can. It may not be tomorrow, it may be some other day. No! How much was that? Was that like 6 tanks or something? 1 jet and a chopper or 2? Well, that was good. But anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this little rampage, please do not forget to pick that like button. And if you enjoyed the post, please do not forget to pick that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. And until next time, stay beautiful. Bye!